A younger child might write this. TJ needed help with word problems. Needed help. Word problems. He asked Mother to help him do his homework. Needed help. Mother tried to help him after dinner, but TJ still didn't finish his homework. So we have after dinner, we have Mother tried to help him. We've got actually all of the pieces of information except the school age child. But we're getting that impression anyway because TJ has homework. This might be something that you would scribe for your preschool child while your preschooler is discussing the story. For a child perhaps of first grade or second grade, all of this can be done by the child, the who, what, where, and the transfer into the paragraph. Now, the paragraph itself, I would come back to later. This would certainly not be at the time that your child is doing this because uh, the child took the notes, made the who, what, where chart, and turned it into sentence structure. But as the child progresses with the sophistication of the sentences that your child can make and do this more fluently, then I would go back and doing a proofreading exercise. I would ask the child, is there anything in here that you've repeated, any words that you've repeated? I see help, help, and help. We've got three helps in there, to help, and needed help. That could get a little bit boring after a while if you use the same term so too many times. So as your child gets a little bit more sophisticated with just doing the note taking and transferring into sentences, I would consider this my rough draft and change some of the words in here so we can bump them up and make them a little more sophisticated. But that's for another time, not when you're actually doing this assignment with your child first. This would be later on, first copy or pre-write. Just saying. Okay, so that would be a typical kind of a summary for a younger child.